You likely know the familiar expression, "An apple each day keeps the doctor away." Research shows that eating more apples might not actually be related to fewer visits to the doctor. But adding apples to your diet can help improve several aspects of your health. In this video we'll take a better check out whether eating an apple each day can really help keep the doctor away. The first question that comes to your mind is, what are the benefits of this habit? Apples are related to a variety of advantages that would help promote long-term health. So, start counting. Number 1. Highly nutritious. Apples are loaded with important nutrients, including fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Just one medium apple provides the subsequent nutrients. 95 calories, 25 grams of carbs, 4.5 grams of fiber, 9% of the daily value of vitamin C, 5% of the daily value of copper, 4% of the daily value of potassium, 3% of the daily value of vitamin K. In particular, vitamin C acts as an antioxidant to neutralize harmful compounds referred to as free radicals and protects against disease. Also are an excellent source of antioxidants like quercetin, caffeic acid, and epicatechin. Number 2. Supports heart health. Studies show that eating more apples might be related to a lower risk of several chronic conditions, including heart condition. In fact, one study in over 20,000 adults found that consuming higher amounts of white-fleshed fruits and vegetables, including apples, was linked to a lower risk of stroke. Number 3. Contains cancer-fighting compounds. Apples contain several compounds which will help prevent cancer formation, including antioxidants and flavonoids. According to one review of 41 studies, consuming a better amount of apples was related to a decreased risk of developing carcinoma. Number 4. Support weight loss. Due to their fiber content, apples are shown to market feelings of fullness, decrease calorie intake, and increase weight loss. Number 5. Improve bone health. Human, animal, and test tube studies have found that eating a better amount of fruit might be related to increased bone mineral density and a lower risk of osteoporosis. Number 6. Promote brain function. Animal studies suggest that eating an apple could help reduce oxidative stress, prevent mental decline, and slow signs of aging. Number 7. Protect against asthma. Studies show that an increased intake of apple could also be linked to a lower risk of asthma. Number 8. Reduce the danger of diabetes. According to one large review, eating one apple per day was tied to a 28% lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes, compared with not eating any apple in the least. With all this benefits, there is a potential downsides. Eating an apple a day is unlikely to harm your health. However, it's possible to possess an excessive amount of an honest thing, and eating multiple apples every day may cause several adverse side effects. Although eating more apple might not literally be related to fewer visits to the doctor, apples are rich in nutrients and offer several benefits for disease prevention and long-term health. In addition to apple, many other fruits and vegetables provide an identical set of nutrients and health benefits.